Hold fast to dreams, because when dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, because when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. To the Board of Bishops, General Officers past and present, missionary supervisors, and to the delegation of the 52nd quadrennial session of the General Conference, I greet you from that sacred space in Salisbury, our beloved Livingstone College. The architects of our institution knew that education would be the true emancipator. So they planted crops they would never harvest, planted trees they would never enjoy the shade, and built bridges they would never cross. And 145 years later, in the words of Dr. Maya Angelou, and still we rise. I am happy, honored, and humbled to serve as the 13th president and CEO of our beloved Livingstone College. Happy because being the president of Livingstone College was my dream job. Honored because out of 41 candidates, the board selected me unanimously without one dissenting vote. I am honored, but I'm also humbled because until October 2022, no one who aged out of foster care had ever been elevated to the office of college president. From foster care to the president's chair, look at God. Today is my 663rd day serving this great institution, an institution that has done so much for so many with so little. I execute my assignment with this quote as my primary motivator. If service is beneath you, then leadership is beyond you. And for the past 663 days, I've been dedicated, detailed, and deliberate related to my charge to lead and serve Zion's flagship educational institution, the Miracle on Monroe Street. While many HBCUs are wrestling with deficits and declines, in less than 2 years, Livingstone College has moved from surviving to thriving. Fully accredited by the most rigorous accrediting body in the country, the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools, better known as SACS. Livingstone College navigated each of the standards of accreditation without a single sanction or recommendation, validating that our financial house is in order, and we demonstrated our commitment to quality, integrity, and the continuous improvement of our programs. The same body authorized Livingstone College to offer the Master's in Business Administration, the MBA. And this year, during our May commencement, we celebrated our first MBA class with 12 graduates. As we moved from surviving to thriving, we deployed a 5-pillar strategy designed to address the primary challenges facing Livingstone College, with a focus on enrollment, engagement, empowerment, economics, and endowment. We will propel Livingstone College into the future. By deploying the aforementioned strategy, the needle is moving in the right direction. We deployed a new student recruiting strategy, and in the first 6 months of my administration, we realized a 58% increase when compared to the prior year. 345 new freshmen. This was a 7-year high. As we look to the fall of this year, we're witnessing an even greater swell in enrollment. Last year, there were 4,900 applicants to Livingstone College. This year, more than 7,000 students have applied to walk beneath thy maples and thy oaks. We're projecting, based upon several predictive models, that our freshman class will be at or above 500 students. However, what is most impressive related to the fall of this year is the academic standing of those who have confirmed attendance. 175 members of this class to date are academic scholars. 105 are presidential scholars who have a GPA between 3.7 and 4.0. And 75 students who are coming have a GPA between 3.0 and 3.6. During this recruiting cycle, I launched my 10-city tour, going to school districts across the country, telling the Livingstone College story, reminding students and their families that the Supreme Court did us a favor, that you don't have to go where you are tolerated. You can come to Livingstone College where you will be celebrated. In addition to elevating the academic profile of the institution, this class is also ethnically diverse, with students of all races, white, Hispanic, and Asian. Another notable accomplishment which drives and stabilizes enrollment is retention. For more than 20 years, Livingstone College would lose 50% of their freshmen annually. While leveraging critical wraparound services and addressing the issues that drive retention, we retain 78% of our freshman class. Also, during this period, from fall to spring semester, 88% of the students who were eligible to return did so. This validates that students attending Livingstone College want to be here. This has positively impacted the economic model of the institution. One of the primary factors related to the swell in enrollment is the $30 million Miracle on Monroe Street campus renovation project. In the first 663 days of my administration, we launched this aggressive but attainable initiative. We are refurbishing 3 residence halls and remodeling Agri Cafeteria. To date, we have secured more than $15 million in capital. We have advanced this project thus far from a debt-free position. We've been able to do so due to several $1 million donations from a member of our community who wishes to remain anonymous. $7 million in the last 6 months. When asked how would you like for us to apply your gifts, they simply responded, "You know the needs of the college better than I, and I trust that you will address what the college needs." During this period, we also launched 2 very important programs. One is the Center for Hope. HOPE stands for Healing, Opportunity, Preparation, and Empowerment. This program is for young men and women who are aging out of the foster care system. This program has received national attention and received mention in the Washington Post. Also, the leading foundation in this space has supported this program with an initial $200,000 planning grant. The goal, Livingstone College, is to create a national model related to serving this population. We launched our Career Readiness Institute, where our students will receive 4 years of career readiness development, aligning their academic preparation with the needs of business and industry, connecting our campus and curriculum to companies that are searching for today and tomorrow's talented workforce. This strategic approach will significantly reduce the number of students who will graduate from Livingstone College unemployed and underemployed. We also opened our biomanufacturing research lab on the campus of Livingstone College. Part of the Biden Build Back Better initiative, we received $1 million in laboratory equipment and are training students and workers from our community for careers in biotech. Individuals who complete this program will receive a micro-credential and job opportunities with pharmaceutical companies in the region with a starting salary of over $75,000 annually. We also opened our Data Analytics Center on the campus of Livingstone College. Needless to say, our STEM program is second to none. Housed in a new state-of-the-art science annex, our program features an immersion theater and state-of-the-art laboratory equipment that allows our students to compete at the highest level related to research. Our hydroponic greenhouse has enabled the college to address food deserts in our community, where we grow and harvest fresh produce for families in the West End community and local shops. Livingstone College's Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts program is one of our prevailing programs. The program is located in our hotel, owned by the college, and features an industrial commercial kitchen and dining room. Culinary arts students assist with catering events for the college and in the community. Our sport management program offers students opportunities to get real-world experience at the Super Bowl and the Final Four. And for gaming enthusiasts, Livingstone College's esports facilities are on track to compete with some of the top programs in the country, professional or amateur. For those interested in music production, one of the top leading music executives announced his partnering with Livingstone College to build a state-of-the-art industry-standard music studio. This will complement our existing radio station, WLJZ 107.1 FM. And directly across from our radio station is the Livingstone College Podcast Cafe. We're the first college in the state of North Carolina to offer a podcast cafe. The venue features 3 soundproof podcast cubicles and a control room open to the students and the public. These podcasts can be edited and prepared for production on all social media podcast platforms. Finally, in the next few weeks, we'll be announcing our Center for Teacher Development and Deployment. Livingstone College is prepared to make its contribution related to the teacher shortage in North Carolina and nationally. Our program is designed to prepare teachers for urban and rural school districts. We have developed a 9-month and 18-month program for teachers' aides and for those who have baccalaureate degrees who are seeking licensure. Finally, I am encouraging the A.M.E. Zion Church to take advantage of all that Livingstone College has to offer, especially for those of you who are seeking an online opportunity. Livingstone College is fully accredited to offer 100% online the Bachelor's of Science degree in Business Administration. We are committed to ensuring that Zion can take full advantage of this opportunity. Therefore, we are providing a $5,000 A.M.E. Zion incentive grant for all members of the A.M.E. Zion Church in your first year of enrollment. This is just a glimpse as to what has transpired on the campus of Livingstone College over the past 663 days. I would like to thank the Board of Trustees for entrusting me with this awesome assignment. To the faculty, staff, and my senior team that works tirelessly and collectively to ensure that my dream job is never a nightmare. And to my wife, Dr. Jacqueline Davis, who left her practice to join me on this journey and who is actively engaged in promoting mental health and well-being across the entire campus. And to my children, Brandon, Montrell, and Maya, thank you for your love and support. Livingstone College is poised, positioned, and postured to make a quantum leap into the future, producing graduates that have the capacity to compete and contribute in a global context with competence and confidence. They said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one that wouldn't say so until he tried. So he buckles right in with a trace of a grin on his face. If he worried he hit it, he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. We're live, we're lit, we're Livingstone. Humbly submitted, Dr. Anthony J. Davis.